My name is Sibel Eker. I'm an assistant professor at Radboud University Nijmegen School of Management and a senior research scholar at International Institute for Applied Systems Analysis in Austria. I'm a research fellow here at Institute for Advanced Study from February to June 2024. My ultimate research goal is to better understand and quantify the role of social change in climate change mitigation. We know that behavioral changes such as reducing red meat consumption, insulating your home, or choosing biking instead of driving can save billions of tons of CO2 emissions every year. However, this knowledge is based on the what-if assumptions in computational models used to support climate policies. For instance, one assumption says that if we reduce the global red meat consumption to the half of the current levels, we will save 8 gigatons of CO2 per year. However, we don't know if such a large-scale social change is feasible because behavior change, social change is based on the complex interaction of several individual social, economic, and environmental factors. I often say that I like humans and I want them better represented in climate policy models so that we can create more feasible future scenarios and emission trajectories, and we can identify the ways to accelerate this large-scale social change for climate action. At IAS, I would like to focus on harmonizing different theories of social change from different disciplines. And also I would like to explore the combination of different computational methods, either simulation modeling or data analytical techniques, to quantify the role of social change in climate change mitigation.